I remember when I thought more makeup meant more beauty. Back then, I truly believed that the more dramatic my look, the more confident I'd feel. I'd pile on blue eyeshadow, thick liner, and a bold red lip, all at once. I was convinced that layering on colors and products would help me stand out in the best way. I thought I looked glamorous, but looking back, I see I was hiding behind a mask. It was almost like I was afraid to show my real face to the world. The makeup wore me, not the other way around. I felt disconnected from my true self, as if I was playing a part that didn't quite fit. That day, I walked in feeling like a movie star, but people only noticed my makeup, not me. Their eyes lingered on my face, but I could tell they weren't really seeing me. My face became a conversation piece, and I disappeared from the conversation. I felt invisible, even though I was trying so hard to be seen. It felt isolating. I wanted people to see me, not just the glitter. That experience changed everything. I realized I was craving connection, not attention. I realized true beauty isn't about covering up. It's about letting your best self shine. When you feel comfortable, you radiate confidence from within. Heavy makeup can be powerful, but for everyday life, it can feel like a barrier. Sometimes, it's almost like armor that keeps people at a distance. Little worries, like lipstick smudging or cakey foundation, chip away at your confidence. Instead of enjoying the moment, you're distracted by touch-ups and flaws. The goal is to feel comfortable in your own skin, not to think about your makeup all day. That's when you can truly be present and enjoy yourself. That's why I fell in love with a more natural approach. It's freeing to know you look like yourself, just a little more polished. It's about looking like yourself, but on your best day, enhancing what's already there, instead of hiding it. This kind of beauty is timeless and works for everyone. It celebrates individuality and never goes out of style. It's not about trends. It's about what makes you uniquely beautiful. Your quirks and features are what set you apart. That one day of too much blue eyeshadow taught me the value of subtlety. Sometimes less really is more, and it lets your personality shine through. Now I let my real self shine through. I feel more confident and authentic than ever before. And that's the philosophy that's guided my entire career, helping others discover the beauty that's already within them. What makes someone magnetic? Is it the way they dress, the way they move, or something deeper that draws people in? It's not perfect features or dramatic makeup, it's confidence. True beauty radiates from within, and it's the self-assurance you carry that makes you stand out in any crowd. Subtle makeup, or the no-makeup look, is the perfect partner for quiet confidence. It's about enhancing, not masking, your natural self. It's about celebrating your features, not hiding them. When you let your real self shine, you invite others to see the real you. When you enhance what you already have, you say, "This is me, and I feel good about it." That kind of authenticity is magnetic. Think of the women you admire for their style. Often, their look is clean and understated. They don't need to try too hard to impress. Their skin glows, their eyes are bright, and their smile is genuine. There's a freshness to their appearance that feels effortless. They choose to let their natural beauty be the star. Instead of hiding behind layers, they let their individuality shine through. Makeup becomes a tool for enhancement, not transformation. It's about feeling like the best version of yourself, not someone else. A little concealer, a touch of blush, a swipe of mascara, small steps, big difference. These simple touches can boost your confidence and brighten your day. The power of this approach is that it's all about you, your unique features. No one else in the world has your exact look. Instead of covering up, you work with what you have. You learn to appreciate the little things that make you, you. Find a lip color that's your lips, but better. It should feel like an extension of your natural beauty, not a mask. A blush that mimics your natural flush. It's these little details that make your look feel authentic and alive. This look whispers, it doesn't shout. It's quietly powerful, drawing attention without demanding it. It draws people in, making them wonder about your secret. There's a certain allure in subtlety. When your makeup is simple, you feel more relaxed and present. You're not worried about touch-ups or perfection. That freedom is attractive. It projects self-assurance and ease. People are naturally drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin. The real secret to looking great? Embrace your natural beauty and use makeup to feel like your best self. Let your confidence be the first thing people notice. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. When you believe in yourself, everyone else will too. Great makeup starts with great skin. Before you even think about foundation or blush, it's your skin that sets the stage for everything that follows. If your skin isn't cared for, makeup won't look its best. Blemishes, dryness, or uneven texture can peek through no matter how skilled you are with a brush. Think of your face as a canvas, smooth, clean, and hydrated. The better the canvas, the more flawless your makeup will appear. A simple routine, gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen every day can make a world of difference. Consistency is key, even on days you skip makeup. Hydration is key. Plump, smooth skin glows naturally. Well-hydrated skin helps makeup blend seamlessly and look fresh all day. Apply moisturizer to damp skin and look for hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid. These ingredients lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. Even oily skin needs moisture. Just choose a lightweight formula. Skipping moisturizer can actually make your skin produce more oil. Don't skip eye cream. The delicate skin there needs extra care. A nourishing eye cream can help reduce puffiness and fine lines. Primer can smooth texture and help makeup last longer. Choose hydrating or illuminating formulas for a natural glow. It's the secret to a radiant, long-lasting finish. What you put in your body matters too. Drink water, eat well, and get enough sleep. Healthy habits show up on your skin, inside and out. When you're well-rested and nourished, it shows on your face. Your skin looks brighter, smoother, and more vibrant. Taking care of yourself is the foundation of any beauty routine. Self-care isn't selfish. It's essential for looking and feeling your best. Healthy skin is the ultimate secret to a lasting glow. It gives you confidence, whether you wear makeup or go barefaced. Start with self-care, and your makeup will always look better. A little extra effort for your skin pays off every single day. Your skin is your best accessory. Treat it well, and it will reward you with a natural, beautiful glow that shines through any look. Foundation shouldn't be a mask. It should look like real skin. The right formula and shade are key. Test foundation on your jawline in natural light. It should disappear into your skin. Less is more. Try spot correcting instead of covering your whole face. Use foundation or concealer only where needed, around the nose, under eyes, on blemishes. Let your natural skin show through for a modern, fresh look. Tinted moisturizers and skin tints are great for a natural finish. If you need more coverage, choose a lightweight, dewy formula. Avoid heavy matte foundations. They can look cakey. Apply with fingers or a damp sponge for a seamless blend. The goal? You shouldn't see the makeup, just healthy, even skin. Blend until there's no line between makeup and skin. The best foundation is invisible. It just makes you look like you have perfect skin. Let your real skin shine through. Sometimes, skin needs a little extra help. Enter color correctors. They use color theory to neutralize problem areas. Green corrector cancels redness. Peach or pink brightens dark circles. Use just a tiny amount on targeted spots before concealer. For under eye circles, choose a corrector shade based on your skin tone. Pale pink for fair, peach for medium, orange for deep. Apply only on the darkest part, then blend. After correcting, use less concealer than you think you need. Layer thin coats for a natural finish. No creasing. Color correction is for targeted areas, not the whole face. Use a light hand. The correcting color should disappear under foundation. The result? Bright, even skin that looks effortless. It's like a magic wand for your complexion. Subtle makeup means soft, believable definition. Start with brows. They frame your face. Brush brows up, fill sparse areas with light strokes, and blend for a natural look. Set with clear or tinted gel. For lips, exfoliate, hydrate, and use a tint or sheer lipstick close to your natural color. Press color in with your fingertip for a soft, stained effect. Skip harsh lines. Aim for a healthy, hydrated pout. For sculpting, use a cream bronzer or powder just 1 or 2 shades deeper than your skin. Apply where the sun naturally hits, under cheekbones, jawline, temples. Blend well for soft, warm dimension, not dramatic contour. Finish with a touch of cream blush on the apples of your cheeks. The result? A healthy, natural flush and gentle definition. It's all about enhancing, not transforming. Soft definition brings out your best features. You'll look polished, not overdone. For understated eyes, focus on brightness and expression, not heavy makeup. Start with tight lining. Press a waterproof pencil into the roots of your upper lashes for subtle definition. Curl your lashes, then apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara for an awake look. Choose black or brown mascara. Brown is great for fair features. For eyeshadow, stick to a single, soft, neutral shade that complements your skin tone. Blend it up toward the crease for subtle depth. Brighten the inner corners with a touch of shimmery shadow or highlighter. Add a bit under the brow bone for extra lift. These small touches make your eyes look bigger and brighter. The goal: eyes that sparkle, not shout. Simple techniques, big impact. Let your natural eye shape and color shine. Understated eyes are always in style. Makeup is just one part of your personal style. Subtle makeup pairs perfectly with a minimalist wardrobe. Think classic, well-fitted pieces in neutral colors. When your clothes are simple, your natural beauty stands out. Focus on quality, fit, and fabric for a sophisticated look. Your makeup and wardrobe work together for a polished image. True style is also about how you carry yourself. Stand tall, smile, and make eye contact. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. When you feel good inside, it shows outside. Subtle makeup and classic clothes support your confidence. They don't create it. You're not chasing trends. You've found what works for you. People are drawn to those comfortable in their own skin. Choose quality, simplicity, and authenticity in all areas of life. Present yourself with confidence and timeless elegance. I hope you're inspired to try a more subtle approach to makeup. It's not about giving up glamour, it's about having options. Sometimes the most powerful statement is a quiet one. Experiment, try less foundation, find your perfect lip tint, see how you feel. Confidence is a personal journey. For me, I feel best when I look like myself. I want you to feel beautiful and confident in your own skin, with or without makeup. Makeup should be fun, a way to express yourself and boost your mood. Some days call for a bold lip, others just a touch of concealer. There are no rules. Do what makes you feel good. When you feel good, you radiate beauty. Confidence is your best color. Next time you do your makeup, ask, how do I want to feel today? Celebrate your unique features and let your true self shine. You are in charge of your own beauty. Make it your own. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, your beauty, your rules.